located in plush locality of Akola, designed as a refreshing revelation of residential framework, supporting cultural link and mystic ambience.
Hello. We, on behalf of Principal Architects of Cape Design Studio, Architect Harshal Bakode and Architect Sumit Agrawal are here to brief you about their project and the studio. The Cape Design Studio was formed in the year 2009 with the mission of designing innovative modern houses and incorporating sustainable architecture in the designs. Today, the firm is engaged in multiple projects including residential, commercial, institutional, hospitality space, landscape and interior designings.
The project, Large Living Space, is a private residential project. The Cypress residence is placed on a corner residential plot with 8,000 square feet with a build-up of 6,700 square feet. The bungalow was built for a doctor and his family of 6. They also desired that their home had to align with the norms of Vastu and yet to have a house with modern appeal. The home with a language of classic and values of traditional architectural elements.
The Cypress residence is a successful established symphony between built and unbuilt spaces. One has to trade various levels of pathway which is in harmony and rhythm with the environment, a seamless view of traditional breeze blocks, dead wall and a classic arch.
The house experiencing vestibule with the idol of Sai Baba, further connecting to the drawing hall with the classic Indian touch with aesthetics and antiques. The modern kitchen with classic dining having a giant glass window enriching the room. Mandir with simplistic design and artistry.
Entry to the living area demarcates change in flooring with designed modern family sitting and double height ceiling. The children's room nearby the parents' bedroom with the uniqueness of traditional goat work and pivoted private nook. The staircase treated with panels to form light canopy complements the passage.
The master bedroom, which again highlights the traditional goat work on the wall and the royal furniture, enhancing the rich ambience with antique belongings. The full height doors with its unique handles designed from clients' initials adds personal touch to their space throughout. The private and cozy balcony with outsized grill window with a view refreshing the mood. Leading to home theater, ceiling in white with fiber optics which glows in the dark, blue lights highlighting the screen panel with ceiling mounted projector.
The recreational space with classic fusion, while in the middle of it is a pool table with adjacent balcony when one can have drinks and play games. Adding to it above is the bar and lounge, all about great conversation and good times, with a large sitting space for enjoying the party. And more adding to it is the indoor model pool, jacuzzi, with a window and skylight view breaking natural light into the space. A place at home for the healthy lifestyle with some gym equipments provided with the floor to wall mirror. Summing up with the site visions, thank you.